In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a Download Invoice button to your Shopify confirmation email. The very first thing we need to do is establish the Invoice app and copy the necessary code to be integrated into your Shopify admin settings. You can choose any PDF Invoice app from the Shopify App Store, for instance, the NS Order Printer PDF Invoice, or the Simple Invoice. After you have installed the desired app, you will need to navigate within its settings to find the section for email notifications or automated downloads. From here, you'll come across a variety of templates, so choose the one that suits your needs the best. The selected template will have a unique HTML code snippet attached to it. All you have to do is copy this code snippet and save it for the steps ahead. Next, we're moving towards your Shopify admin settings to add the previously copied code to the order confirmation email. For this, first go to your Shopify's admin portion and navigate to Settings and then Notifications. Here you'll find a section titled Customer Notifications. Within this section, locate and click on Order Confirmation. This will bring up an option to Edit Code. Click this button. Once you're in the Email Body section, it's time to paste the code. Now, the location where you place the snippet can make a considerable difference. A commonly accepted good place to paste the code is near the end of the email body, but remember to do it before the final closing tag. This allows a smooth transition and doesn't obstruct other parts of the email. One thing to note is that some invoice apps may have different placement suggestions for the code. For those apps, follow their specific instructions and paste accordingly. Lastly, after you're content with the location of the added snippet, it's time to finalize your changes. At the top of the current page, you'll see the Save button. Click on it to finalize the customization you've made to the order confirmation email. And voila! You've successfully added a Download Invoice button to your Shopify confirmation email. From now on, every time a customer receives this confirmation email, they will also be provided with an option to download their invoice. This not only adds convenience for your customers, but also adds a professional touch to your online business.